There are fruits that promote hair growth, prevent hair loss. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado oil is a significant element in our finest hair mask and conditioners. To give moisture to the hair, the oil's fatty acids are mixed with provitamin B5. Avocado is wealthy in vitamins B and E, which are vital for healthy hair growth. Vitamin B promotes cell growth and strengthens hair follicles. Number 2. Gooseberries. Gooseberries. Gooseberry or amla has been used as a treatment for hair and scalp problems since decades. Amla or the Indian gooseberry can treat hair loss effectively. This edible fruit is considered as a miracle cure for hair care. It stimulates hair growth and improves the quality of hair. It contains calcium, which promotes healthier hair. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas are rich in natural oils, multiple vitamins and potassium which help treat hair breakage and split ends. Besides stimulating strong hair growth, bananas are rich in potassium, which helps improve blood circulation and deliver essential nutrients to the hair follicles. This promotes healthy hair growth and even help to prevent hair loss. Number 4. Papaya. Papaya contains vitamins A, C, and E and antioxidants that are essential for stimulating hair growth activity in your follicles. Nutrient-rich papaya is an excellent fruit for hair growth. It prevents baldness and activates hair follicles to promote hair growth and strengthen hair. Number 5. Strawberries. Strawberries provide antioxidants that help protect hair follicles and vitamin C to support collagen production. Strawberries are a rich source of diet C, a vital nutrient that aids in collagen manufacturing, strengthening the hair shaft and preventing breakage. Number 6. Kiwis. Kiwis' high vitamin E content helps maintain scalp health and prevents hair loss. It aids in collagen production, strengthening hair from the inside out. Great source of vitamin C, kiwi can help your body absorb iron more efficiently, thus promoting hair growth and preventing hair fall. Number 7. Guava. Guava is another vitamin C-rich fruit that can boost hair growth. It is also rich in other essential nutrients like potassium, calcium, and fibers. Guava can boost collagen production and help maintain a healthy scalp since it's so nutrient-dense. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then like this video and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to see new useful videos.